Good morning, gang. We in the kitchen. We gonna make some juice today. I'm gonna make some watermelon and key lime jars, and then I got pineapple, celery, carrots, cucumber, lemon, apple, the tricolor grapes, some ginger, and a big box of strawberries. That's gonna be our other jars of juice. So I'll get back to y'all once I start the process and get everything cleaned up. It's your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. Go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Comment down below, do you all juice? And if so, what do you put in your fresh juice that you're making in your kitchen? Good morning. What's up, y'all? So yeah, I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna get this fresh juice going on. So I'll be back to show y'all what it's looking like once we got everything cleaned up in the bowl. Okay, gang, this is what we got going on for juice. We got 8 jars of the fruit and vegetable juice, and then we got 6 bottles and 11 shots of the watermelon and key lime juice. It's your girl Jack from Zola Don's Fresh Market. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you know when I post. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss a video. I catch y'all on the next video when I do fresh juice next week. Remember, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and throw love and light on that dirt and keep shining bright like a diamond. Bye.